Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics, and today we've got for sale, just come in, this fantastic Mark 1 Cortina. Going to stick my neck out, probably the best one in England and possibly the best one in Europe, who knows. It's a 1200 Deluxe with a genuine 16,000 miles on, and it is absolutely stunning. It's a stunning Ford car. Bodywork is beautiful. Starting at the front here, the chrome work is immaculate. Around the light bezels, the spotlights, the bumper, the grille, the mirrors, everywhere. Just set the car off. Just looks beautiful with the green and chrome. Going down the side of the car now, it's got the chrome stripes on the side and the tyres with a white wall. There's a little mark on one of the doors, a little chip, which we're going to get addressed, but the car's 7-year-old, 58-year-old. Well, go around the back, the chrome's good on the back. The lights are good, they're not faded. The suspension, it just sits nice as well. The glass is good. Some of the rubbers are starting to perish a little bit, but the bound to it, 50, like I say 6, 57, 58, however it is. The tyres with the chrome rings look nice. Right, that's the bodywork. It's absolutely stunning. Right, let's take a look inside. Chrome door handle's fantastic. The door feels like it's you're opening a brand new door, because basically you are opening a brand new door, albeit 50-odd year old. Door card's perfect. Door handle's perfect. Look at the door posts, absolutely perfect. Not a bit of rust anywhere on the sills, the door posts, the pillar. Go around inside, the headlining's immaculate, not a mark on it. Seats, I don't know how the seats can keep in this condition, to be fair, but they're perfect, there's no sag in them. The dashboard looks great, all the dash top's nice, the sun hasn't getting to it, hasn't faded. There's the clocks again, there's the mileage, 16,000. Everywhere you look, the car's just perfect, everywhere. There's no wear on the gear stick, there's no wear on the pedals, there's no wear on the handbrake. Passenger side the same. Again, lovely feeling when you open the door, little springs backed on you. You look down the side of the door and it's perfect. No rust, no rot. As you can see, it's never had any fill or anything. It's just as it left the factory. Sill's perfect. Seat on that side, just as good as the driver's seat, to be fair. Again, another shot of the dashboard there with the period radio. Everything there as it should. Moving on through the back door here. Obviously, this is an estate car, so there's your back seat. Top of your door's perfect. Door cards, everything absolutely perfect as it left the factory. Just open this door again. I just like to open all the doors. All the doors feel the same. A lot of cars, you open the doors and the front doors will feel different to the back doors, because obviously people sat in the front door a lot more than what they have in the back. But this car, all the doors open exactly the same. Obviously, this is an estate car, so I'm going to show you how the seat folds back. Look at that, no scratches. You wouldn't expect that on an estate car. You'd expect the back to be battered, because these were used like bands. It's got the original toolkit, still in a Hessian sack. Amazing. Wheel brace, jack, still with the original stickers on. Everything original. We'll open the tailgate now. Like I say, you'd expect an estate car of this age, or any age really, to have been used like a van, take stuff to the tip in it, move furniture in it. But this thing, it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. I lift the rubber and there's just paintwork underneath is absolutely fantastic. Factory finish, look at that. Beautiful. Not a scratch. Chrome good on the back. The lip on the tailgate, perfect. The interior paintwork is absolutely amazing. Going around the front of the car, you pop the bonnet, and there she is. Look at that. The 1200 Ford. What a fantastic, reliable engine. Slightly underpowered, possibly in the day. Obviously, the 1500 was a more powerful unit. But under the engine bay, absolutely immaculate. Still on the original dynamo, inner wings. Perfect. Not a blemish. You can still hear original spot welds. The original numbers stamped into the strut top there. All the plates still on it. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I don't think you could strip a car down and rebuild it to this finish, to be fair. The one thing the car lacks, which we're going to fit, is a period battery. The modern battery looks terrible. Well, that's under the bonnet finished with. Right, we'll go back in now, fire it up. The engine's stone cold, got plenty of choke on it. Beautiful driving position. And we'll fire it up. There you go, beats the key, and this car does beat the key. It's got a bit of choke on there because she's stone cold, we'll knock the choke off. And we'll take it out and see how she drives. The Cortina Estate, or Console Estate, whatever you want to call it, for sale at Hardy Classics. If you like this video and you want to see more of the same, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter, or visit our website hardyclassics.co.uk. Bye bye now.